Hey everyone! Today, we are talking about Enthusia 100 tablet. Brand name, Enthusia. Manufactured by Lupin Ltd. Component, sildenafil, 100 mg. Class of medicine, PDE5 inhibitor. Uses: erectile dysfunction. Improved sexual performance. Side effects: headache, flushing, upset stomach, dizziness, visual changes. Benefits: helps men achieve and maintain an erection, improving sexual performance and confidence. Mode of action: sildenafil increases blood flow to the penis by relaxing blood vessels, facilitating an erection during sexual stimulation. How to take: swallow 1 tablet with water, preferably on an empty stomach, about 1 hour before sexual activity. Special precaution: avoid if you have severe heart or liver problems, are taking nitrates, or have a history of vision loss.